Hello guys, happy new year to you. This is Cytpoway and this is my first video for the year 2023. Today I want to enlighten everyone about the importance of mining candles on Coinmarketcap, CoinGecko or the KuCoin centralized exchange. It is an important factor, or let's say product, of these platforms, and I believe they will come in very handy in the nearest future. So the three platforms we'll be looking at are CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and the KuCoin centralized exchange. So firstly, you need the CoinMarketCap sign up link. You will find it in the video description. You visit the sign up link, and while signing up, you have two options. You can either sign up using your email address, or you sign up CoinMarketCap by using your Binance wallet or your MetaMask wallet. Those are the three options you can use to sign up on CoinMarketCap: email sign up, Binance, or your MetaMask wallet. So the first stage is for you. If you are using the email sign up, you fill up your details, you enter your password, you use the ref link, then you create your account. Yeah, after filling up your details, you confirm your sign up information in your email address, and then you are good to go. After signing up your CoinMarket account, you should sign into CoinMarketCap. The next step now is to show you how to claim your CoinMarketCap diamonds every day. All you have to do is use your phone browser, or you download the CoinMarketCap mobile app. Whichever one you choose, all you have to do is locate the diamond logo on the CoinMarketCap website, click on it, and then it will bring you to the daily schedule to claim CoinMarketCap diamonds. Then you wait for your network. I have a slow net. So every day you come to this dashboard to collect diamonds every day. The more diamonds you claim, the better. You pass captcha to verify that you are not a bot. So that's it. That's all. That's all you have to do every day to collect diamonds from CoinMarketCap. So guys, if you are an existing CoinMarketCap user, or you signed up CoinMarketCap using your email address, it is important for you to safeguard your CoinMarketCap account by linking your wallet address to your CoinMarketCap account. To do that, you need to visit coinmarketcap.com. You click on the passport image right here, then you click on settings. After that, you take a scroll down. Okay, the network is slow. You take a scroll down, then you select connect. It will bring out a pop-up, connect MetaMask. If you are using your mobile phone, you can use wallet connect while connecting. Then you click on next. You connect your wallet to CoinMarketCap. You have to follow the prompt from CoinMarketCap. Pass captcha. Then you sign the transaction on MetaMask to link up your MetaMask wallet to your CoinMarketCap account. faster your network provider is, the quicker and earlier you get this done. Thank you.